Welcome back to CMG-MathSpace. As stated earlier, our main focus on this channel is to make math enjoyable, easy. For this reason, we were supposed to jump straight into the properties of set operations. But on a second thought, we decided to give you a conceptual video. So, stay tuned. Alright, so before we jump into solving questions on the properties of set operations, let's understand what these properties really mean in simple terms. You see, in math, and especially in set theory, these properties tell us how sets behave when we combine them. Whether we are taking unions or intersections, the idea is the same. We are looking at how flexible these operations are. Let's go over the three key ones: commutative, associative, and distributive. Don't worry about the big names. I'll explain them in a way that sticks. First, the commutative property. Now, the word commutative comes from commute, which means to switch or move around. So, in simple terms, the commutative property says it doesn't matter which set comes first. The result is the same. Whether you do A union B or B union A, you will get the same sets. Think of it like saying you can swap the sets, nothing changes. That's what commutative really means. 2. The associative property. This one is about grouping. It says that when you are working with more than two sets, how you group them doesn't affect the results. Whether you join A and B first and then bring in C, or you join B and C first before bringing in A, you will still get the same outcome. In short, grouping doesn't matter. The result stays the same. Thirdly, the distributive property. This one means that when one set interacts with two others, it can spread itself across both, just like sharing. So, for example, when A intersects with the union of B and C, you can distribute A into both, meaning A with B and A with C, before joining the results. So, the distributive property is basically saying one set can spread across the other two. In short, commutative means swap the sets, the same results. Associative, change the grouping, the same result. Distributive, one set spreads across the others. Our main focus here is for you to get the conceptual understanding or idea, not to memorize the formulas here. In the other subsequent 3 videos, we will tackle each of these properties in depth. So stay tuned. CMG-MathSpace. Step boldly into the math space. Ciao.
Or Snap Arts Media. Build your brand, capture attention, drive growth.